High above the quiet town of Andover, perched on the ancient tower of St. Mary's Church, a remarkable partnership is unfolding. Pause 1.5. This is Pezzarina, the resident female peregrine falcon, and her mate, Pezza. Together, they are performing a delicate dance of trust and connection. Pause 1.2. Through gentle calls, careful movements, and subtle gestures, the pair reinforce the powerful bond that unites them, a ritual known simply as bonding. It is in these quiet moments that their partnership is strengthened, preparing them for the challenges of nesting and raising their future brood. Among the spires and the open sky, Pezza and Pezzarina remind us that even the fiercest of hunters can show the softest expressions of devotion.